Question number 6. What do you call the technique of preserving plant and animal food products in airtight containers through the use of heat? Ano ba ito? A. Brining. B. Fermenting. C. Salting. D. Canning. Letter D. No? So letter D po. We have the canning. Pero ito po si salting, brining, fermenting, and canning. Processes niya po, rubbing or packing food in dry salt. Sa brining naman, submerging food in salt water solution. Sa fermenting naman, we have soaking of food in brine where salt-tolerant bacteria break down sugars into acids like lactic acid. And we have the canning naman po, no, yung canning natin, sealing food in airtight jars and heating them to destroy spoilage, causing microorganisms and enzymes. Primary purpose, when we say salting, nagdodraw tayo ng moisture out of the food with dry salt to inhibit microbial growth. Yung brining naman preserves food by osmosis, drawing salt into food and moisture out into the brine. And transform food, creating new flavors and texture naman, si fermentation or si fermenting. And si canning naman, na ay nagpo-prolong tayo ng shelf life. Ayan, nagpo-prolong tayo ng shelf life. Pinapatagal natin, no?